2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Looking Out My Back Door by the great CCR. Credence. Cool, so we got pretty simple chords, no bar chords. Standard tuning with capo on 3, please. Alright, so we got a G major, 2, 3, pinky. We got an E minor, 2, 3, C major, 1, 2, 3, and D major. 1, 2, 3. I think that's all the chords for the verses and the chorus. And then later on we have we raise the key, but let's go over that later. Okay, so there's the strumming pattern, just like the song starts. Down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. G, E minor, C, G, D. That's the intro for that guitar solo melody. And then the vocals comes in, and it's G, E minor, C, G, D, G, E minor, C, G, D, and G. So the only difference between those two is first time you stay on D, and the second time you go back from D to G. 1, 2, 3, second verse. C, G, D, G, E minor, C, G, D, and G. Chorus. D, C to G, G, E minor, D, G, E minor, 2, 2, 2, G, D to G, Stay on D this time. Second verse this. C, G, D, chorus. D, 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 C to G, G to D minor to D, G, G to G, E minor, C to G, D to G. Okay, so that's all the chords and the changes for the verses and the chorus. And then after the breakdown for the guitar solo, they change key. So now we're gonna be in E major. We're gonna play E major. Actually, we're going to be in the key of A now. But so we're going to go from G to E major, to D, A, F sharp minor, second finger, third, pinky, E major, A, F sharp, D, A, E, to A. That's when they slow down. Okay, that's the fade out right there, so maybe we don't need to worry too much about this. I think the first chords are more important, but anyway, so yeah, so we got, for the guitar solo, let's go over that again. E major, D, A, F sharp, E. And then he starts singing again. A, F sharp, D, E, A, sorry, E to A. Okay, but let's go back to the beginning. Let's do that one more time. Here we go, G. Chorus, D, C, G, G, E minor, D, G, E minor, C to G, to D to G. Looking out my back door. Thanks guys for tuning in. Awesome. I'll be back tomorrow with more great hits. Be safe. Take it easy. See you soon.